Hey guys, you're welcome, and I hope you're preparing well for your examination. And I've gotten some update from your class leadership, and I want to provide some level of support to help you navigate through this particular um, season. All right, so I'll be bringing up a particular view now, so you can see how we're gonna. Let's say how for this becomes it's more or less like a Q&A, like exam like. Here is it. So, what exams look like is something like this. So, for example, we can say in lesson three, yeah, why must markup symbols be neat and clear? Why must it be neat and clear? This is a typical question, and then you have the option of selecting from all of these options that is here. Why do you think it is important that markup symbols be neat and clear? Could it be because messy makeup can confuse typesetters and introduce new error? Neat symbols increases editor spirit. Clear markup is only needed for fiction book. Or neat markup reduces paper consumption. Yeah, so what will be your answer? If you want to see the scene I have this year. So but for now, if it is A, let's see if it is A. Oh, hey looks good. And then it gives you an explanation that neatness is a parameter of importance because ambiguity or messy handwriting can be misread by the compositor, so leading to additional errors. So yeah, that's how it works. If you pick the wrong answer, suppose it will give you the wrong some sort of some sign, and then you can review. So let's go to another random question. So which symbol action is used when an editor wants to insert a missing letter in a word? So we have different symbols, and even looking at this place, you can see some of those examples I've talked about. So, but now which symbol? For example, we have stats. Stats is used to what? Let it stay, right? So could it be drawing a line through the entire word? Could it be writing an instruction correct at this exact point or the missing point? I'll deliberately pick a wrong answer for this, and then you see what will happen. Boom, it tells me that that's a wrong answer. Then the correct answer is this because correct is the right answer. Let's pick another random one. So, in lesson two, three lines under a letter typically signal what? What does it signal? I have three lines or something like this. Yeah, doesn't mean change it to uppercase, change it to lowercase, close up spacing, or delete punctuation. So, in an instance where I don't have an idea of which the answer is and I wanted to reveal it, it can just show me the answer by clicking this. So, this is a typical of what I'm proposing to support. If you want this to happen, let me know. So, yeah, if I click on review, it shows me the answer now. I click the wrong answer to tell you. So, it's like the idea. Let's go to another question. The house style guide is best described as what? Architectural plan of a publishing house, a publishing internal rule book for consistent language and formatting decision, an author's private diary, a list of yearly sales targets. The answer is B, and that is correct. You see that? So that's how this sort of revision proposition. So if you want this, let me know in the comments if you want to have a session like this. I've got a pool of question right here. I've just got 20 samples, but I've got pool of question up to 200 questions. But we could just set a timer and do like a 25 minutes session, and I'm wishing you the very best. Let's take one more question. Maybe you do this one. Why do publishers adopt one house style and stick to it? A, to enforce consistency and professionalism across publication. Two, to reduce the number of manuscripts accepted, to avoid all auto queries, to eliminate developmental editing. So which do you think is the answer? Yeah, give it a shot. Give it a shot. Which do you think is the answer? All right. Let's see what the answer is. The answer is A. Sticking to one house style ensures all books under the imprint present a professional and unified identity, which simplifies decision making for editors and then speed up the design pipeline. So these are some of the things that I've just thought about, and let me know if this is going to be helpful for you. And yeah, we can just do one session or two as you require. By the way, yeah. Thank you very much, and wishing you a very good